How do you calculate the 12-month FMLA period? Imagine needing time off for a family emergency or health issue. How does the law decide how much leave you can take within a year? That's what we're here to figure out. Under the Family and Medical Leave Act, the 12-month period for leave can be calculated in for different ways. Employers must pick one method and stick with it for all employees. They also need to tell employees at least 60 days before changing the method. The first way is the calendar year. This means the 12 months run from January 1 to December 31. If you start your leave in March, it counts within that calendar year. This is the simplest method and often used if no other is designated. The second method is a fixed 12-month leave year. This could be a fiscal year, a year based on state law, or a year starting on your work anniversary. For example, if your anniversary is September 15, the leave year might run from September 15 to September 14 the next year. The third way measures 12 months forward from the first day you take FMLA leave. So, if you start leave on November 6, 2022, your 12-month period ends on November 5, 2023. If you take more leave after that, a new period begins on the next leave date. The fourth method is called a rolling 12-month period. Each time you request leave, your employer looks back 12 months from that date. They see how much leave you already used in that time. If you took leave in July of last year, they subtract that from your total. You can then take the remaining leave, up to 12 weeks within that rolling period. Employers prefer the rolling method because it prevents employees from stacking multiple leaves by resetting the clock. But whichever method they choose, they must apply it consistently and inform employees about it. Some states have their own rules about calculating the 12-month period, so employers need to follow both federal and state laws. Changing the method requires proper notice and must not cause employees to lose their rights. In summary, calculating the 12-month FMLA period depends on the method an employer chooses. It can be a calendar year, a fixed year, a forward-looking period from the first leave, or a rolling backward period. The key is applying the same method fairly and communicating it clearly to employees.